I'm gonna just repeat the question then.
Yeah, come by to the last one.
Okay.
Right.
No, please don't put me on the spot. Thank you.
There's no such thing as on the spot. We all
Let's do
gonna
it on
talk.
the
Like,
spot.
yeah, I mean, I'm gonna write it down. But say,
I mean, I'll write it down.
Yeah, that's.
Turcosta be.
Hello, welcome. Did I say welcome back or welcome to the podcast?
The lather.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So tingin natin in those, special bonus episodes. Shout out to the people that did. But welcome to OnBrand podcast with Angel and Dream, produced by Miss Rudina, the Muse. So let's start by introducing ourselves. Yeah, doing the mira on face and on voice, which is something we heard last time from Marks. My name is Angel. I am one of the hosts of the podcast. Mm-hmm.
Oh, see, my name is Dream. I am the other host of the podcast. So yeah, Anto.
My name is Rudina. I'm the producer behind OnBrand podcast.
Yes. And for this episode, it's a very, very special episode. It's the by give nos review, nos take on in our heads homie Kevv.
Yeah, not in our heads.
In our heads, this guy does not know us at all.
Not. Although Rudina that you
See. Exactly. When you can have a conversation with him, you might give him compliments for some new drop, so he knows who I am.
So we're friends now. Kevv, come on the show. See.
He's acquainted with us, but we're fans disu music and nasa fans disu EP. Ibaduling tatapon na sa second episode for it say a drop. But life happens. But life happened for a reason. So now nasa by give a full review the deluxe album the Kevv.
Kuyama di corazon. Hashtag di corazon.
Yes, hashtag corazon.
So go check it out. Go listen.
Deluxe.
See.
Luxury.
See. One thing kung add ta ku non stop pensar esse segments uiteindelijk and sagi. This whole episode is a segment, by the way, in the future, but it's called a musical breakdown. Be on the lookout for the future. For in the future, Mr. Basi Masisaki, but this is a special one because we've been on the wave, the Kevv, by the way. But we've been on the wave, so nós OG fans, but see, this. Eu prometo que nós vai citar top 5, nós vai each of us are top 5 or top 3 depende. Então nós duna di contame. The second thing também bira. Ku nós vai bisa kiko nos favorite and least favorite traits tadi. The artist is music. Antes de laster ta cada de nós que pe artist ta in the future. Anto nos ta quere el ta or by in the future.
Yeah.
Anto e outro também nós tem coisa special. But see.
We'll see if it actually hit the spot. But
inderdaad.
Yeah. Okay. Nos overall
thoughts. See.
Hindi take the lead.
Sen sebutan anas woord ka daarbij.
Okay, my first thought. Makumisa na have a conversation ko abo about a album, a EP or the drop first. So nasa ta fans di essay kaba had a whole last conversation about it. And then nakama sa tima ni, strong opinions. It's a good solid project. And then ila surprise nos with the deluxe version, which he didn't say, hey, be on the lookout. Nothing.
On the Beyonce, the vibe.
Very
No promo.
Beyonce-esque. Very Beyonce-esque.
Yeah, exactly.
I like it. The overall view, the deluxe album, sowieso iting songs ko on the EP kaba. That's the point ko, but a familiar feeling ka with certain songs, you know, kunang a comfort ka you know them. But I add new songs también into mi top 5 of mi top 8. No, pero vai top 5.
Top 8? Para, quanto ka tingin album?
It has 19 siguro.
Yes, it's 19.
Eu bedoel inderdaad dat ze bij top 5. Ze bij top 3.
No, top 3, this is top 5.
Yes.
Whatever.
No, it doesn't matter. But vamos a conocer top 3, top 5, top 8. Anyway.
I'm the mi top 8. And to hope the new songs nang I mean ke mi top 8. Okay, another thing on the EP. No ku EP no atrese lo que me te keep is saking that thing a few of them atrese a new element kum na tinde ding EP, which is why na llega a mi top 8, the top 5 and sigumi uni na make the top 3, I think so.
It's been tough this month. In a good way, in a positive way, but see. Okay. I mean, personally, mita slightly miss na loke Angela bisa. We've been on the wave, like I said. Mita kisa gumi Angela man namin kunti ka DJ like a few months ago. This is hard. A home random song, like you know that thing home few singles, and to nasa papia o DJ and to this kind of reminds me of, if I might say so myself, in the sense ko ito will be himself in that sense. He's very him. Like, you know, by basa, and he's not doing the most, but later on sa probably say, me gusta EP, pero me gusta deluxe album tami pa so mito man okay. He's venturing off into more territories, mass vibes. He went into the vibe box, which we like. And to ito mo sa versatility, pero tambi basa man ora Ed Sheeran tating a few albums, so sa akong album ko man Tours to New Friends. Kumane tanto guy on 50 Cent. I'm like, bro, you never. But I say that's like an album G's with his friends. I feel like Kevv in the beginning stages of that, so like get him to get notoriety into it. But high features kumane known people ko tamana mas established, which I liked. So yeah, that's it to me overall. Intro onto di lo que me pensa.
Okay. Well, para me, yeah. I am just amazed by this person. Usually, and there's no shade or whatever, but usually me nota achtende artista nang kuto bini foi abc sina fácil kuno te sunang kuto konosi kaba. Anto a guy ke come out of nowhere pa ami anto gewoon je ka drop algo anto ma instantly like it. Dus pa ami say tamane wow. Anto des 2 ora ila drop a EP. I usually don't do this, pero me gewoon DM me pondré me yo, can you tell me more about this? Anto, dus I have a little conversation about it. Anto, it was really nice to know ku ela drope ku intention di gewoon show kiko pa eta music. Anto kiko e gusta, anto pa gewoon give un feel man king eta, anto. That was really nice to see and hear. And yeah, so I mean, other than I'm just amazed by the album. And Feora EP drop in the album tambe. I have nothing else to add other than just that.
It's hard. It's hard. That's just facts.
Yeah.
But see.
That definitely shows range. Which he did in the EP as well. But it touched different
range is unlimited
genres, I guess.
Yeah. Ain't. Okay. Top 5, top 8, top 13, 19, whatever you got. See. So at this point, we're not even. That's how much we like it, though. It's a testament to the fireness of it all. But see.
Okay. Again, me top 8. So this is difficult. We made up 8 in no particular order. The Mente, Basilari ba mi, Sumipeka, Perde mi mes, Adicto, the original, Adicto, Kuzakarifi, Miho, Anto Lita. That was my top 8.
Okay, a base de Kiko Boakis, a top 8. So, I'm meeting list of qualities. So, I'm wondering, Kiko bring you to that
In terms of music, I think it will be feeling based. That's how a song to make me feel. Usually that what makes it good to me. A music também, in the sense the ito will be make na feel, pero a sound, a beat, a way ka nanta singing it, all of that in one. Para mí también un way kumita flock to a certain type of music. So me actually morning R&B type girl. So I like that a bit more.
Mellow vibes.
I do have my moments kumigo sa sings dancing songs go dongo. Pero paami is the things ko mita usually like songs. This me meste tem feel be me gusta com esta zona anto once me hai lyrics I'm landi tama me say that being mas achteraf so naturam to catch everything eu rei tama depende kiko words to sing in this song. So those are a few of my characteristics, I think.
Okay, cool. Cordina?
Paami, honestly, I had a top 13 eigenlijk.
I know.
Helaas, me aan being
Bro, yeah,
list A.
Ay. Okay.
Dit yung top 13, pero paami tambe.
The album has 19 songs. All of it.
I mean, give us a break.
It.
It has 19 songs.
See, well, the 19 I have 13 that I like. And the paami say tambe that based on how my overall feel ko that Tsunami. In momento que me atende a album, foi begin, I was just dancing in my house. Dus a base de say me kies me top 13. And the DSA ele virou top 6. And to top 6 that based on a music, how it makes me feel, but also the lyrics. And to paami tambe, ma order ko mi tabi bisa nanta a base di kung ita de album. Pero prometimmente Basilari ba mi, Perde mi mes, Adicto, Mio, and the Henry remix featuring Juni Martina. Say to me top 6.
Okay. At this point, biligani sa aki ko three ko na make the kata as opposed to what top 13. So no nevada. To a few of whatever else songs. So it's not good. No te gusta. The less than it's not good te gusta, right? Si buti mo kung simiwapo but top 13. So at this kiko ta songs lang ko to mane. Not that part of the top 13. Si mo sa best.
I don't.
You don't?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I don't. Basta to biyam to skibi everything de mi telefoon pero helaas heb ik maar gewoon skibi na riba papel. Dan malaga ischrijf na kaas.
Okay.
Dus
Moeilijk.
Daar hoop je moeilijk inderdaad.
Alright, interesting. Mito sini mane bosan dos so list tanto hopi mas cerca de outro godimi.
See,
Sit down to add to the show.
Don't ever get it twisted.
Diversity.
Okay. All right.
Diversity. But let's see. Okay, me top 5. I like structure, so my point on list the qualities nakiko mita maiega na mi top 5. Could a beat, a vibe box, like I call it. Content, there's lyrics, and on subdivision they say the relatability, the lyrics, simple relatable. So but then okay, boom, but I don't know what that means, bro. Like dope, but okay. Catchiness of the song. Don't subdivision they say of compensate the replay value. So any song has to have replay value. It could be good, but see me by 10 there's no point. So but then no, fijo, but that's it. So it say basically say me curate me top 5.
Nice.
Hey. Adicto. Basilari ba mi? Si Bosti Mami. Suerte. Ando suerte. Ando Mavisa Mama, which is ando medyo underrated top honorable mention as they say, Ocho Dia.
Okay.
Which is dope.
Okay.
Pero I say to me top 5 ando honorable mention.
Okay.
Yeah.
I would say similar on make on top 10. Algum di lo que babisa lo tamela kaidenje.
Okay, cool. So minus único que também como overeenkomen dat adicto aan to basilari ba mi?
Sí,
Sí.
klopt.
So, okay. See. Me get focus on the Maribe songs naki because I feel like a few of them or one or two not supposed to say something more about tiki mas specific. Miss Angel, do tell.
Kaya kung sa kanya.
Whichever one that's specific to you. So yeah, no matter sa mira, it's not really.
This mira sowieso verschilding what Ami me list di mas sad in terms of vibes. So sabi naman naman pick those are pretty.
Yeah, those are tough ones.
Those are pretty to the chest type songs. Pero ibang kumisa ko adicto kun usturting, ang consensus riba but at the same time limita adicto.
Zachary.
Yes.
Yeah.
Di kong ako na gusto kong adicto in general. I like the song. Ta gusto film hin. They give me, ballad vibes. What a kind of chick. Of guy, whichever you're singing for. I don't know your life, girl.
Girl. Pero see.
I like that one. It unas nang sigong amitam ko tingo mas views through YouTube. One of the Taiwan stuff. I think so. I'm not sure. Pero amitinha song ko Zachary V. I hope I'm saying your name right. Not familiar with this artist, so to me it was the first time hearing him. At first, that was a good feature. I don't know if I like this. I don't know what this is adding to what I didn't have before the original song. But then, as I'm listening more and more to it, one thing I notice is good thing is one. Wow, hopefully gonna. Is one ko eting another voice in the song. I hear a female voice in there. I didn't hear it in the first one. So say that ang added touch to me. And then two, a way ko Zachary Vita canta. Yes. Okay. See, ko mi braso ta feel. Yeah. So he drew me in. To the point ko, mabay from not liking at first, so many, ita canta for the of, explica. And ita canta mani, Kevv ta canta the song. So flow, tapos was different. And like, pese mi doon, en kakanta sino mani ita pas kotro. Pese ita su parting. So pese at some point mani, okay, I like this add-on. Pese, Makis essay the original. So a female voice kumatine that adds something new to it. This is cool say matine first one anymore. And to Zachary so point of view time is nice.
Okay.
Adicto.
When I mention adicto, like it could be anyone. That doesn't really see.
I'm kidding,
Sí, no, paso si nos turba de adicto, es kinda we just take care of the adoption probably it's going to speak to us like the most.
I don't know, I'm not going to say
it. For me, we take care of to agree with a point of view the addicted. Like in the about we have it. We have.
Well, I mean, since Ella basically review is sunko a feature, and then kind of from different point of view see.
Right. Yeah. Okay. That's fair.
Pero I like adicto so ito hopi. Ito feel real. Like, ela later puta su feelings, iba papel, ando kante.
Yeah, go llama adicto. So that's the first thing. I'm like, okay, you really want to do it, huh? Okay, all right.
Dus pa ami, ese a puta ko ita kaiding me overall top 6. Pero pa ami mi ting tatape ko ta mio. I really like the song. My favorite, overall favorite team, the entire EP album, I think. Yeah, see. Mio sembra que la manera gewoon un hit pa mi. Paso ita that make me feel the same way as Adicto do, but of course they want otro vibe, as in ela later buta su lo que ela sinti riba papel, and tumawak tating un video recently riba Instagram and toko ela explica song anto dus ela later confirm to me lo que ami asinti. E me gusta kong different flows ng kuting nga song. Sta canta, ito mo ni papia, pero ito rap tambe. Anto, pami, eko ita kong, iko beat erbij, it's everything for me. Basta ita si mio, pami, like, my favorite.
Oh, and we will find a video that she's talking about, diba? BB to... What? BB to sensitive? A breakdown di miho.
I mean, now okay.
No?
Siguro amin ta BB2. So,
I don't think it's...
No, I'm not surprised if I actually send it to
pero
me.
la ganosa...
BB2, Bibuta, I swear.
Bibu Bibuta.
Okay.
BB2.
Dad, I'm really
BB2.
sorry. I
BB2,
read it
BB2.
quite asine because it's like the same two letters being repeated. Yeah.
BB2? It's
Bibu,
funny. BB2 is
Bibuta.
cute.
Bibu.
It's a BB2.
See.
That's
Listen, dyslexic.
Alright. Para me top song tama ta adicto. Favorite na EP. I was like, this is hard. This is it. Me best siya base di mi structure kumatra. Replay value, probably a song ko ma play the most. Anto para me no tama kay kwa mood mi ta din. Paso di me buta din certain mood mo din I stuff like this. You want to hear some suerte or whatever else. Pero mi te quiere no matter what mood mi ta din mi put in adicto. Like mi put going to work, mi put in the gym, mi put gewoon vibing na kas. Still gonna listen to it, which is dope. And the replay value to feel eye catchiness pa mi. So yeah, at this point mas kwando butin de or because butin this na dan to ito biro catchy. Content lyrics mi tanya hobi do mi tanya ko to be real to be honesto kusumes ando na number 1 dere say ita come through by his music ita come through na no sta mi go okay si boto honesto ko mes is one thing but si bobo actually down honesto ko the crowd the people us that's tough. So I like that ando na relatability mi relate to some of the lyrics pero not exactly adicto. I don't pero mi por relate si to a depth tilo kita papiano virgento lo que la feel. So in that sense mi okay relatability. So yeah, overall relatability I can get down with that.
Okay.
So yeah, still in puberty I see. But let's see. So that's my top song. And I want to just say something, okay? Suerte, I don't like the disrespect.
There's no disrespect.
See, but I mean, I feel like it go mucho, basta? Low key.
I like it. I actually like it. It's just not in my top 6. Porta maybe at 7, pero not in my top 6.
Kasi namin ko lang feel ko very paami one of the rawest songs on the album ko Talita.
See, and I said that or so we're not gonna talk about it, we're just not gonna
that one something else. Okay, just umar pa paskibi and to sing something assim.
Exactly.
So to me, minaponele matain, mabay re-listen to mani. This isn't the song ko ba play all the time.
no replay value.
It's a bit too much ting ora, pero for sure it's one of the songs ko I think with the top 3. Because of the rawness in the song. It's a different feel plus it telling a story. And
it's more of a conversation than a song.
See, but depende es album tam depende ko vibe what you're going for.
Depende ko vibe, depende ki volgorde betekent de songs dan tambe.
Yeah. See, but see that something we can touch on.
That's important. But
but see, the depende. So suerte no bad song. But if that's something would be like, oh, this screams dream. This is yelling name.
That's foi ora mete ne promebia mete
that's the vibe.
This screams James name.
Yeah, that's the vibe.
It's not my first pick. I'm not doing it.
See.
This is the one I listen to. So.
Nunca digo como que nem babu gurje ta base dari ba mi. Paso isa que ata soro pa hopre controversy den nos tres. Base dari ba no base dari sorry. Si bosti mami. Ese é soro pa controversy. For the EP. Paso nos ting mixed feelings meaning ko no stoort feelings are different towards it, pero também tem nos ko ting mixed feelings letterlijk pakken song. Dus
yes.
let's touch on that.
Ngayon ka começar? No, I think I'll go.
Yeah, go.
Go?
Yeah.
Okay. I like the song. Let me start there, okay? I like the song. However, and I have a conversation with this about a friend very recently. Listen to breakdown.
About or with? With a friend or about a friend? What was about a friend?
With a friend about the song.
Okay, see. I was like, wait, what?
Yeah.
that could be something. I was like, wait, I didn't hear this. But I see. Okay.
I spoke about it with a friend, and a thing with the song to me, I'm gonna give this analogy. I'm not gonna use it here. It's not PG friendly.
This is not a PG friendly podcast.
Like, to me, the song feels like someone could about to like bust a nut, but in not the climax.
Okay, that I can see that.
And that.
By the way, y'all go listen to it because or else this is wild what you just said.
Yeah, you
got
got it.
I get what you mean. See.
Di kong baso, song naman minuting a language para these type of things, pero
language don't get what you just showed us. That's a way with words.
And I like an analogy. I like a story.
Mm-hmm.
Pero a way ko a song tabay, to make me feel like we're about to go into this ritmo komina vibe. Mm-hmm. And he didn't do it in EP and did it in a chance for sitting a album and he didn't. And I like the song. I like the vibe of it. I mean, oh, cute. Si basti mami. Pero not a song that tem a potential ku lumamirahin ni baila ku na partner na fancy chance flights to Aruba, whatever the fuck if yes name at this point. Pero I needed a song A. Mm-hmm. And I talk about it with this friend as well. And juist koest ik kooi paso it to give him a unexpectedness. Kung nota man going to the route kung ba expect the song go. But I'm juist ba dating a mogelijkheid pa hasi is But maybe one day, maybe speak this into existence for you. Ku Jan sabi okay bong. And he has like this full instrumental ku keyboard, ku drums, everything, ku make a song hindi mo komina hit. So that's where I'm gonna leave it at. I like the song. I just needed that from you.
Yeah, I mean, I would agree completely with everything you said, basically. So, masora matindi, okay, kukiti sinta,
yes.
No asinta. No asinta. No, maar mita me overwachte dingen album. Pero, abini. At some point, mita wat die by DM whoever.
Bro, what are you doing?
No, pero whoever kuta mane.
Die kuke remix,
kuka gewoon kuta de banda, kupa mane bosa hasi algo, bosa usually ita sina songs na sina tabira ritmo komina. Dus mita wada even van plan die hasi ko say at this point I might as well do it, so inota ek aso ainda. Pero mita met de feel mane ek kantika ting hobby potensial pa birang ritmo komina. At the moment, met de zin en de mis a few instruments. Met de zin die falta die I don't even know con mijn instrumenten, pero it's not a bongo, es un grandi. I don't know. Anyway,
conga, drums,
I
timbal.
guess probably ta conga. Okay. Met de mis a trompet, también dentje.
Brass, sí.
Met de mis a little bit more of different keyboard tones. I think that's how you're supposed to describe it. Pero dus die
más melodía, we're going to más melodía.
Sí. Yeah. Dus ik zei pa ami ito mes, pero atrobe man ya I like the song. Tem potencial, pero não é ainda.
Yeah.
Tá por nada bem, we don't know. Because aparentemente he's running on a Beyoncé, gewoon je drop album out of nowhere. Dus por tayo gewoon drop ritmo combinata out of nowhere pa nos. We don't know. Pero Kevv, if you're hearing me, I would really like that. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. And then the opposition.
Yes, Your Honor. I would like to take the stand and disagree with everything they just said. Because, me take care about a few things. Me take care about something on the wrong end. Personally, no wrong, but me not agree. So, number uno, is not un question di lack of middelen cannot trace. Like, that was a choice. Ando, misali ko un choice. So, pasilari ba mi, tari me komina. Basilari ba mi, tari me komina. Everything you want, qua instruments and qua vibe that you would want, in sibosti mami, that din basilari ba mi. So, it serves a purpose. It definitely serves a purpose in the sense that meeting ba sa me is this is what I wanted. Make it like a vibe ng gujans of whomever was ang Tigana. But as was mami, I wanted to show you guys that it doesn't have to be that way. And it could be its own thing, standalone. This and me gusta. From a musical perspective, I like it. But so me gusta lack thereof. Me gusta Party Next Door tama yung kantika ito ko kami bro tama yung kantika kami ita slow build mas tanto to hopi tiki cost dinje, which is dope. Dus mita gusta fa ko like choose pa man na I'ma just tira pa ko aki aya and let the song speak for itself, let me lyrics me voice speak for itself. So ita remind me somewhat, this is gonna be a weird reference pero watch ko yung itong Audemars Piguet whatever however you go so pero itong skeleton structured kune. Dus inota normal was but the mira tour and mechanics and DJ. And that's what I like about the songs. If bobo mira and you can see into it, you can feel into it, as opposed to this is another gents or whomever. Nah, this is the choice I made.
Okay.
And y'all gonna live with it. And I love that. I really like that. That's super dope to me. So we saw what remix as it, pero inota si unique mas. It's just another kantika kuta ritmo kumina.
Okay. Then perhaps it should be remixed by someone else then.
Yeah, I can get down with that, pero me feel like no supposed to do props for this choice because it's not easy. Atrobe, hasi ritmo kumina is the easier route to go. Oh, I'm gonna just do whatever y'all expect from me. But nah, I'm gonna just do this. This is the choice I made. This was gonna be, and I like that.
Okay.
See.
I think it's like, agree to disagree song.
See.
Again, a great song.
Definitely.
We get a preference
See, for sure.
the way we would have wanted the song to go. But he is intentional with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we like that. That's very important.
Yes.
You gotta stay true to yourself. For us, an artist, was enjoy the art mas, and that's not good.
Yeah.
I agree.
Too deep for this right now, pero in ieder geval, that's kind of, it's a pattern. Bono kaya ser un pattern kami na basi lo kaya na verwacht bunto. No to loke bo intention ta.
Right.
Points were made, definitely.
Correcto. Okay, favorite traits and least favorite traits the artist miss and yes, music obviously. This one's gonna be interesting, but if you.
I think by the direction the music rather than the artist. I think it's great que show us range. Me da yung bon que show su deck of cards, the show Kiko Epor, and the show tambe to us the listeners. Okay, he's great at this. Or this needs a bit. Needs a bit more work. Cool. Some songs that need a bit more work. But that's whole not no preference. So ik bana met een bonku ting algo pa turende. Na business ting algo pa turende. However, as someone could a very how do I say this? A very missing word, but what do I say next? Someone who enjoy the art of storytelling. Midahaya ko album that collection of songs rather than body of work. Why? Because minota sinti mane tur song tabisando algo pero minota bisane album tabisando ungkos. This is album Llama di Corazón and it shows. Pero I would have liked pa songs ng 30 ding otro mas mío and to transition into each other. I like kung song ko butin from start to finish, it start to set a tone. Meant to set a tone to me. And this is the sigi ko basilari ba me, if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure it's basilari ba me. To me, ito show contrast the first song. Ito man answer the first song. It meant it hindi mas dark, hindi mas sad. And to basilari ba me, ito man na fuck y'all. Let's say I like
pensa, ora ka pensa kuko.
Sí, ito man
ela bimbay.
Nah.
No,
And
how
I
about
like,
no though? I'm not the one. Sam,
so I like it has echoy, and I wish it has masti essay throughout the album. So it show many. Here's a song. Here's a song. Here's a song. Here's a song. But not structured as a whole project, and at the same time, showing bo deck of cards are great, but it also mustra. It a giveaway maybe a bit too much. And the mafil essay, Dorko is a album thing 19 tracks, to which 3 of them the remix, and then bota poniendo 2 remix, trae otro. Me listening to this, no wakiendo not an actual word, excuse me. Wak. Mirando.
Wakiendo not an actual word?
No.
Disappointing. Pero mirando ko mino mani matini album matini multiple times matini kanano ko want to be sa wak po phone pa wak was song to be next. There's me listening to it tamani di ko hindi tatukano ina. Because matini original listen me okay ito bula 2 songs si gumi sa ba hindi ko junior tro sa ba hindi ko otro mani ¿Qué está pasando? Why is this? See, it's a bit too repetitive pa ami. Iba na nang.
You got me, see?
And to see, I think a bit more structure in the sense this is storytelling. I think a bit of body of work to me rather than a collection of songs. Then see, this is me saying kulum like a remix ng apart. Of ko volgorde wordt het different. So tiene po ni album on shuffle, pero tiene strategisch ko na maniera ko na ito album. Kaya it makes sense because it tell a story at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So that's my
Fair points.
Okay.
Miss Rodina.
Well, tingwa because konjal mesa mention kaba ko mita agree with mita mwene kuta. I'm a storyteller. I mean, it's important, and which is the reason why my papa picked Kevv in the first place. When I drops the EP, but me saki ko the story behind EP, and to kiko the story behind kung ela structure EP. I mean, kung hindi ko ta gusto tende albums, the album as a whole, paami, see it will bring that feeling of a wholeness to me. Then paganami. And I really love the songs. I really do. Pero mi ta feel mane cada un song riba album ta give mane un feeling of nan pora get released as un single cada unina.
Which some of them did, but
yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Pero si mi se pone EP y album bani otro, EP también un collection of songs, not per se giving me
body of work.
Body of work, pero inang ila work better than in album di 19 songs.
Yeah.
Lo que me gusta si kung ma-act man pa mi ila say more and kung ma-verwacht more of that, taku promei lasso song the album that kind of give me this man ila strategies po na nga sina. Dus ora la kumisa ko mente ta give me un feeling of an interlude. Anto memories ko mita lasso memories sa kawa man very soft and to give a nice touch pa un ending. To say see if it was strategically done asina props for that, pero me miss that more into el recorrido the album. I think that's all. I don't know si me más that, pero Jane Bobo take the wing.
Okay, me, I see your point. I raise you this. Me agree. In the beginning, me agree. Pero, me nagkaroon dito ayer. Pero ayer mata atende kanti ka ng on shuffle. And me pura kind of get a vibe okay, some of these, or as in some of these girls kita talking about in the song is the same girl. In that way. And they make a basement. Okay, so technically there is definitely yung coherence ding songs nanto. Dogri din nabi sa mite hobby ings kuno ding EP was meant for that. The EP to body of work. Pero the album no tong body of work. But I don't think that's atrobe. Mita focus over the intention the artist, pero mita kaya es muy importante. Nos tengo purba wa kika intention the artist tanto no lo que nos que tende, because nos que tende because nos que tende lo que pone dame clearly because we like it, pero si nos busca intention the artist, atrobe lost, so importa completamente diferente. Like what the hell do I know, you know? But come on the show, come tell us. Pero sí. Me to feel like definitely the EP and to songs dan kuta the album kuta parte EP si boten na so. But I get definitely feel that okay, it's a story. It's a story. It is a story. Dus mita eens ko ba ko album nota essentially body of work, pero the album that derived from a body of work. Ito gewoon him showing us new verses, new collaborations, stuff like that on the same things. Anto mitigere, yeah, sinus po bleed into the next topic. That's gonna happen after. In the future, he's gonna do more of the body of work vibes as opposed to the at the features na kumi poraya, like what's up with me, man? And mind you, he's getting started, so we gotta cut him some slack.
No, that's so, definitely.
But me that time build relationships ko atrobe, and then I'm going to mas established. And the next body of work, if I were to say what's gonna happen in the future, lo involve mas tanto him having a story, a whole body of work, a whole coherent album. It's such a good word mess, but anyway.
No se make it un word.
So no, it is what it is. And to kuso features na. This everyone is on the same page in the album, and to me I feel like that's where he's working towards. Pero overall, pag album ito komende si di como santa pensa ko it's just a few songs put together. Pero si walking from the perspective the EP and the within the album, you could definitely see a road line when the visa. So that's what I think.
Yeah.
See. Nos favorite traits o what do you specifically like about him? Would mean okay, sa kita kung can married DJ. Really no say everything.
No. I like his voice.
You like his voice? That's important.
I like his voice. Me gusta kong por kung gahopi ko sa stem. Ta algo ko I used to do back then. Used to be a singer. Dus me ta gusta my favorite of tweede stem, pero me ta gusta ko ita hinga a lot of that dance music. Yeah, I think I said it, mabisa sa gikava din yung party pro me ko na sa papia, pero kung eta canta, eta rap, eta papia, and it's somehow see
he makes his own stuff. Some of these is him playing the guitar.
That's
some of
true.
them him
And
making
eta
the beat.
hinka turkosi un way with the work.
Yes.
There's people that do all that.
Lota great, you know.
Let's be honest. Si henne kuta hasi all that do not make it work. So,
I feel attacked.
Wow.
I mean, obviously, with Nuena in mind. Mahong say
No.
it is what it is. Wow.
Hello.
No, me took I get what you mean. So,
This is say the favorite.
hello, what? See.
Okay. We could go next.
No, bye no more. But then I'm option. Nah. How about no?
No, okay, sure. No, okay. For me, kaya ba sa Loki tie-in ko, Loki, last point dami, ko, I think it's very talented. I think it's a talent to show them it in terms of the type of music he makes, the range he has, but also it will reach so many people. Mitanya inota, manera to me he came out of nowhere. I've never heard of him, didn't know his music, but like dropped something and then more people found out about it, more people were sharing about it. Could show them so consistency with it. But so he had this momentum going until I play Hobby Bong
Right into it, yeah.
Because I think EP.
Coming up, more problems for a troubled
Earthquake.
singer. Yep,
We're
we've got
having an earthquake. Okay, it appears to have stopped.
That's gonna spike.
Hi. Okay. Mita call sa EP a drop. Ik kom sa singles para mim sowieso. As I'm addicted to exist kaba. The thing few songs ka the kaba. But then the EP a drop that when oh wow, who is this guy? I think like these songs, think everything smack out to the and then so some time passed, but he was dropping out music videos, behind the scenes, so Instagram time, the active. This, so passion. I think that one of my favorite traits really. So passion and so love for music. Good to show thing. Yeah, I guess I don't have any social media. This is a social media persona thing going on right now, and the music he makes. So that's my favorite, and I like his voice. So yeah.
Okay. I'm eating favorite and least favorite. Because this is always petty work, but I think little run kita si mana. Tu bisa I don't mean the best here because I can't do it. Pero I think maybe the it's not necessary. Anto mi pubi se say, mi pubi se kumi mes timbe when I be messing around with music to me time timbe mi nata like eko and beat drain tako. Like sometimes you just gotta let the beat ride. Pero may kubo kumisa. Anto mi feel like timbe to mana. Let me just put a little run in here, which is nice because he can do it. He can sing, pero a placement, a song, the context of the song is not really necessary. Because, it remind me of YK Osiris and Tiki Hussein, but that's a Mason run. It's like, bro, we get it. We get it. So, I don't. Pero, hey, do you, bro? My opinion not matter, but on this podcast, it damn sure does. Pero, me te gusta su versatility, lo que sometimes bisa. It will move between, it will grab different vibes from the vibe box. And to, qua content, it will pass on a different vibe. It can bring time with a specific song. And regardless, it'll come over as genuine to me, which is good. So, people try different things. Whenever I don't do that, stay in your lane. And two person will just stay in your lane. So, clearly you can dabble in everything, which is dope. Un costa también important. No sasita paso so identity as a singer, as an artist yet. Paso me to get some of that, but at the same time me to get that he's not just doing this because he can or just because he doesn't know. He's doing it because he wants to. That's importante. Pero me to curious to see that in the future. Kiko tabay stick, kiko no. Kiko tabay keda saka different type of course of shit tabay focus on this album, on this vibe, R&B, so of drill, so we want to see more of that. Of kita bay focus, basta kita bay kung lagi let it ride, which is sa. Anto look at importante tayo. Natuto namin gevoel kita doing the most, which is nice. So met die paar artists kom kita echt fan die jam, bro, you're doing the most. Like no tira tour melodia, tour song, tour. Don't do that. So it got a bit crowded. I don't like crowded. I don't like that. But see. Overall, more favorite this than least favorite, or less. But see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me add something too. Least favorite trait who I will mention sorry, ko na na bong at all. I don't sing anymore. Disclaimer. Pero
Cap, by the way. Hindi na kinasaya ko i-firmando because she be singing all the time.
Pero sí, lo que ita hasi tabuta paami me to feel ku tracks nang ta give me more of a single vibe than coherency. So door ko eta hasi constantly instead of focus riba cantica, mi devo focus riba essay. Também são coisas que cada dia bota queda bisa ora bota papi ando eta kita hene sua atenção. Essay ta essay ta for sure. Eta zona bom.
Sí.
Eta zona hobby bom. Pero as album of try outra cena it kind of kita po atenção than what really matters.
At the same time, part of me tamani, what if that's his thing? So I'm gonna think artists could do this thing ko ita this thing. He does it all the time. To the point ko pero awa ko door ko batin they wants it to snadi parable. Pero ko because we have been listening to this album for a minute. This pero that door ko no sting asa tanto time being spent listening to this. It is on the scene. But yeah, I agree with Kuba. Maybe he's trying to find his niche and to see what works. To whether that run, I'm not a singer, that work or not. This is the next projects lang. Because again, this is his first. So, it's not that many community with fact 8, home observation.
See, no stick with the objective, Tamil.
Yeah.
We gotta be objective.
It's
we just gotta be, it's dope. So there's no reason to have a podcast or an episode. So it's like, no, let's miss it that objective. We did the homework. Best believe we listened to this thing for months. So we know everything about everything. We're experts, alright? So, yeah.
Pero also, no sé si so the most of us really like this artist and we want this artist to go places.
Blow up, yeah.
That is, see, I think it in the point of view of a fan and a friend, the school, but but applaud someone for doing something, but at the same time, but give constructive criticism, not just criticism. We're not giving. We're saying Kiko, no hasta pensa lota what we would have wanted or would have done, but to say at the end of the day, it's a decide kita see. Yes. And what works for him. Lastly, we finish off. Kita thinks was on to see and would want to hear from Kevv in the future.
Okay. Don't mind if I do. So we saw me keep making music. Keep making music and keep doing him. That's what I want from him. In the sense, me no keep money. I get lost in the sauce. Me to get it. Say what we like about him is also that he's him. And not trying to do the most, but really doing exactly what he wants to do, and he can do. Me no get cadre into one thing, but me man being him, whatever that's how for the say, I'ma be supporting. Me man. Me gusta su versatility. This pakuso collabs nang. Me give profit a bit more off of them. In the sense ko, ela blow up in the sense ko, epo make collabs. Pero me toch pe make more of it. Just make new things as opposed to just tira new verse, do new person on an existing song. But say magusta a collab ko Josh Tama stand so that's a whole concept on its own. In the background na I'm by scene okay, kinos to make as opposed to I have this song. What do you think of it? Nah. Let's go make something together. That's what I want. And say as much as I like Junior Martina, wala akong tirong verse diba. And I see a effect him and on the phone and just being back to the forefront, which is dope, but I'd rather them make a new song, make a new concept. They make a thought of them sitting together and brainstorming and vibing on that's dope to me. I like that personally also. This that's what I want to see more. And yeah, I'm excited to hear what he's gonna bring to the table, But I see.
Okay. For me, so it's almost to give props but the other features on the project. Josh, Junie,
Zachary
V, and
body guy must wait. Let me pull it up. Let me
Arrow.
See Arrow and Axel Blask Kizumba.
Yes.
Diviana.
Yes.
Keon.
Dami.
Yes.
Cute songs.
Like today Kuta featured sowieso. Not familiar with everyone. There's some of them that are new to me. Pero many people like Josh, Johnny, Jules, Ting Nang Lane. And to it sounds como a feeling dim na get the Kevv hope biata singer-songwriter. And to not to say que Mr. Kennedy in niche A. Pero so you can find like he got to work for him and to where he wants to be headed. But then get hope he's talented. Has a lot of potential. And the bonito aquí que po así con más resources, más support, más money. Because money can do a lot. Money can help and do so it could they bring more quality to his music, more production, more visuals.
Which we would love to see.
More.
I'd love to help with. So
Yes.
pull up. See.
So
I don't know nothing about that, but yeah. With music, but it brings that I'm down, bro. I be messing around.
But the
so
being a
why not,
support system.
Wow. Why can't I do my own thing? Why can't I just
Okay.
anyway? See.
Excuse me.
Okay, boom. By bas
Hi, better
Support
see.
system. No, I don't.
Support system is necessary, and
Yeah, but
which he has. He has. I feel like he has a lot of support system, not only from clearly his friends could blast his music on Instagram, but the time people that genuinely like some music. I'm looking forward to see where this is headed for him, and Kiko just being himself that bring in the future.
Okay.
True.
The film was not cover everything. Kung takira visa, pero
Save the best for last.
that was exactly save the best for last. Nita, yeah, but give him credit. But look, I think I for yo, stay true to yourself.
Stay on brand.
Stay on brand.
Come on, it was too easy.
Put it on the shirt.
But I'm saying though, you know.
Put it on a hat.
Stay true
Best
to
for
yourself.
coming soon.
Tattoo it on your back.
Come.
oh,
Did you hear that?
Oh no, I didn't.
Like, no, but shit, a missed opportunity.
Oh,
Should have been there.
Put it on a hat. Put it on your back.
Yeah.
Tattoo it on your back.
That's the name.
okay, alright.
That's bars though.
Bars.
See.
But I'm not a rapper.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Let's see. Gewoon kita me mente for everything.
See, stay true to yourself. That's what
Stay true to yourself. Mi te quiere ku, mi te mira ku babai hobileo. Pero what will genuinely make other people like your art is if they can find something that you can only bring into the world yourself. Dus mi te hoop ku lobo kira say. I would also like to see more visuals. Kung Elohinga is part of storytelling, which is my specialty. No pressure. But explore with storytelling. Ku music of a look at the skibi, but explore with that more. And I don't know. Mi no gusta throw a lot into like the world. We could just wada and wait and see, because I really like the element of surprise and keep me on my toes, you know. That's very on brand for me.
Important. Yes.
So
Keep them guessing.
yeah.
Okay. Well, that's pretty much looking at that cover. The Kevv's album /EP /album deluxe. Di Corazon, #Di Corazon. Go check it out, y'all. See what's on in there. Pero it's dope. It's dope. We like it. We like it. I like it. Now for the last part. I can enter our outro. Joeem will drop his outro lines. So I guess it's time for that. Do that thing you do. Pero, my meeting list of things. I be saying stuff on the team bed. They be dropping fire, but sometimes it doesn't hit. Pero, es un jawita. The real test for any choice is having to make the same choice again, knowing full well what it might cost. Let that sink in.
Can you repeat it?
The real test for any choice is having to make the same choice again, knowing full well what it might cost.
Okay.
Just with a stand ground. a choice na ko make. Ako na ko stand behind them. And the only way to know that is if you know what kika gevolgen aan taan, to make a choice again, knowing full well what it might cost.
Un minuto de silêncio para que eu escute uma acaba drop.
And with that being said,
Not a minute though, pero
no, 1 second sinama.
asa mo na sa correct anto sa ta minute.
So, aba ora ko babay tiene ko ki pause.
The magic of editing, bro. Best believe, because the other things that be happening in there you won't see. But see.
With that being said, though, follow Kevv. Follow him on his socials. Follow some music on Spotify. It's available on there. You can check it on YouTube as well. Follow our podcast.
You can't forget this nos, because we're gonna be fine. But Kevv,
You know,
see,
we
That
did-
man
we-
is going
we don't do it for
places.
ourselves.
facts.
Follow. Follow us on our socials. They can say Pony, probably the link in the bio somewhere.
Description below.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Links in the comments and
Share. Look at that share.
share us, and you will find us on the next episode.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See ya.
Deuces.